Ever wondered how multiplayer games work? It's a universe all its own, pulsating with life and excitement. Picture this, you, sitting in your room, controller in hand, eyes glued to the screen, and somewhere across the globe someone else is doing the exact same thing. Two different worlds, yet united by a shared experience. This is the marvel of multiplayer gaming. It breaks boundaries, transcends geographical limitations, and creates a unique, shared universe. A universe where players from different corners of the world come together, battling it out in arenas, exploring fantastical landscapes, or even just catching up at a virtual tavern. But how does this happen? How do you, in New York, connect with someone in Tokyo, London, or Sydney? How do you compete, cooperate, and communicate in real time without any noticeable delay? How does this world, this gaming universe, maintain its seamless continuity? It all comes down to a critical component, the game server. So, what exactly is a game server? This question might have popped up in your mind, especially if you're an avid gamer. Let's dive right into it. A game server, in its simplest form, is a remotely or locally run server used by gaming clients to play multiplayer games. Most games played over the internet operate via a connection to a game server. These servers are the heart of the gaming universe, transmitting millions of data packets every second to keep your gaming experience smooth and immersive. Now, imagine a multiplayer game as a bustling city. The buildings are the game's elements, the roads are the code that forms the game, and the people are the players. But what connects everything together? That's where the game server comes in. It's the invisible infrastructure that allows every player to interact with the game and each other. Without it, the city, or in this case, the game, would be lifeless and disconnected. The game server acts as a bridge in the gaming universe. It allows players from different corners of the world to connect, interact, and compete in the same virtual environment. Every action you take, every move you make in the game, is processed by the game server. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all the players to create a harmonious gaming experience. What's more, game servers are responsible for enforcing the rules of the game. They ensure fair play by synchronizing player data and preventing cheating. In a way, they are the guardians of the gaming universe, maintaining order and balance. So, why are game servers important? Well, imagine trying to play a multiplayer game without one. It would be like trying to make a phone call without a network. You wouldn't be able to connect with other players, share experiences, or compete in real time. In essence, without game servers, multiplayer gaming would be impossible. They are the unsung heroes of the gaming world, working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring our favorite games to life. So, the next time you dive into a multiplayer game, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology that makes it all possible. Now that we understand what a game server is, let's delve into its features. At the heart of a great multiplayer gaming experience is a game server, and it possesses several key features that enable it to efficiently host and manage gaming environments. Let's explore these features in more detail. First off, let's talk about latency, often referred to as ping. Latency is the time it takes for data to travel from your device to the game server and back. The lower the latency, the smoother and more responsive your gaming experience. High latency can lead to issues like lag and delays, which can significantly impact your gameplay, especially in fast-paced games. Now, on to tick rate. Tick rate refers to how often the server updates the game state. A high tick rate means the game server is updating frequently, leading to smoother gameplay and more accurate representation of player actions. In contrast, a low tick rate might result in less accurate gameplay, where your character's actions may not align with what you see on your screen. Next up is bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transferred between your device and the server per second. A server with high bandwidth can handle more players, more data, and thus larger and more complex games. Another feature to consider is redundancy. Redundancy in a game server context means having backup systems in place to ensure the server keeps running even if some parts fail. This could be extra power supplies, backup servers, or even multiple internet connections. Redundancy is crucial to ensure minimal downtime and a seamless gaming experience. Lastly, we have scalability. Scalability allows a game server to accommodate a growing number of players without sacrificing performance. As your game grows in popularity, your server must be able to scale up to handle the increased load. These features, and many more, make game servers the powerhouse that brings your multiplayer gaming experiences to life. From the fast-paced action of first-person shooters to the expansive worlds of MMORPGs, game servers are the unsung heroes, ensuring that your gaming experience is seamless, immersive, and above all, fun. These features make game servers the powerhouse for your multiplayer gaming experience. But how does a game server function, you may ask? Well, let's dive into the intricate world of game servers and their fundamental operations. At the heart of a game server is its ability to facilitate communication between players. This might sound straightforward, but it's quite a complex task. Picture this. In a multiplayer online game, each player's actions, movements, and decisions need to be communicated to every other player in real time. The game server acts as the overseer, the mediator, ensuring that every player's screen reflects the same virtual world at the same time. And it does this by processing data from each player's gaming device, interpreting it, and then sending it out to the other players. Now let's talk about data handling, another critical function of a game server. Imagine you're in an intense gaming session, and your character just found a rare in-game item. This information is sent to the game server, which then updates your character's inventory in its database. This is important because if you log out and then log back in later, you'd want that rare item still to be there, right? The server ensures that your progress and achievements are safely stored and updated. Moreover, game servers handle player inputs. Every press of a button, every move of the mouse or joystick, every command you give, they're all processed by the game server. It's like the server is the brain, and your gaming device is the body. The server processes your inputs, makes sense of them, and then dictates the appropriate response in the game world. So, the game server is constantly receiving, processing, and sending out information. It's a tireless workhorse, ensuring that your gaming experience is consistent, fair, and uninterrupted. It's the unsung hero of the gaming world, working behind the scenes to create immersive, shared virtual worlds where players can interact and compete. The functionality of game servers is what keeps your gaming experience smooth and engaging. Without them, the online gaming world as we know it would cease to exist. So, the next time you're in the heat of an epic battle, take a moment to appreciate the complex workings of the game server that makes it all possible. So why are game servers so important, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. Game servers are the unsung heroes of the gaming world. They play a pivotal role in ensuring a seamless gaming experience. Imagine playing your favorite game and suddenly you're experiencing lag, or worse, you're disconnected. Frustrating, isn't it? That's where game servers come into play. They are designed to keep the game running smoothly, ensuring that players can enjoy their gaming experience without any interruptions. Now let's talk about fair gameplay. We've all heard about or perhaps even experienced the frustrations of cheating in online games. Game servers are the guardians of fairness. They monitor the game's environment, enforcing the rules and making sure no player gains an unfair advantage. They can detect and prevent cheat codes, hacks, and other forms of cheating, maintaining a level playing field for all players. So the next time you enjoy a fair match, remember to thank the game servers. Lastly, let's discuss game performance. The quality of your gaming experience significantly depends on the performance of the game server. A well-optimized game server ensures faster load times, less lag, and a more responsive game, all of which contribute to an overall better gaming experience. Game servers also play a crucial role in the development and evolution of games. They provide developers with valuable data and insights, helping them understand player behaviors, identify bugs and glitches, and improve game mechanics. This constant feedback loop between the players, the game, and the server allows for continuous improvement and innovation in the gaming industry. In conclusion, game servers are the backbone of the gaming industry. They ensure a seamless, fair, and high-performance gaming experience. They are a crucial tool for developers, helping them create and refine the games that we all love to play. Indeed, game servers are the unsung heroes of the gaming world. They may not be visible to us, but their impact on our gaming experience is immense. So the next time you dive into your favorite game, take a moment to appreciate the silent work of the game server making that experience possible. To sum it all up, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of game servers today. We've defined what a game server is: a powerful, dedicated computer that hosts your favorite multiplayer games. It's the unsung hero that brings together gamers from across the globe, allowing them to compete, collaborate, and share experiences in real time. We've delved into the features of game servers, exploring their ability to manage player data, control gameplay, and ensure a fair and smooth gaming experience. We've also highlighted the functions they perform, like maintaining game state, handling network traffic, and managing interactions between players. Moreover, we've underscored the importance of game servers. They're the backbone of the multiplayer gaming world, providing the infrastructure that enables immersive, interactive gaming experiences. They also ensure fairness, stability, and security, making gaming enjoyable and safe for everyone. So next time you dive into your favorite multiplayer game, remember the game server that's working behind the scenes to make your experience possible.